So classification of class Aves. So we can see how the class Aves is classified into two major subclasses. One is called the Archaeornithis and one is called the Neornithis. Archaeornithis is obviously the primitive group of birds, and you all know about the fossil bird, which is actually considered to be a connecting link between a reptile and a bird, which is called the Archaeopteryx. So these are extinct birds, and then the modern birds, you cannot call them entirely modern. We have the second subclass, which is called the Neornithis, because this also includes a group called Odontognathae, which consists of extinct birds which have teeth in their jaws. So odontos meaning teeth and gnatha meaning jaws. So having birds which are extinct today and with teeth in their jaws, like Hesperornis, belong to Odontognathae. And you have all the flightless running birds like the ostrich and the emu, and these birds belong to a group called Ratitae, which are put under a superorder which comes under Neornithis, that is called Paleognathae. Paleo means primitive and Gnathae meaning primitive jawed, meaning their jaws are similar in their structure. They bear some of the reptilian features as well. And then we have the superorder Impennae, which includes the penguins. And lastly, we have the superorder Neognathae, which is considered to be the modern jawed. So neo meaning a new and gnatha meaning the jaw. And this includes the group of birds which can fly, and they are called the flying birds, which belong to a group referred to as Carinatae, and they are put under a superorder that is called Neognathae. So there's nothing much to know here. You just need to remember the different orders and what are the group of birds that belong to those orders.